Are you finding it difficult to create a Facebook page in 2026? Each time you try to create a Facebook page, it shows you this annoying error. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through, give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Facebook page without any annoying error. Now watch through the end. Now to create a Facebook page, the first thing, you use a Facebook Lite. You go to Google Play Store to download it. This is Facebook Lite. Now from this line, you click at the three lines, then from here you click pages, then you click create page. Now get started. You put in the name. Okay, this is my business name. Okay, rated songs. Then you click next. Now when you click next, you now select your category. So I'll select personal blog, I'll select musician slash band, then I will select digital creator, then I'm done. So I will now click next. Once I click next, it's going to show you this annoying message. Something went wrong, please try again. Okay, now teach you how you can be able to solve this. You don't have to worry yourself. You don't have to use VPN. You don't have to use anything at all. Just follow my step. Now you click next. It's still going to show you same error. Don't worry. All you have to do here is shake your phone very well. Shake your phone. Shake it very well. You shake it very well. Shake it very well. Okay, you shake your phone. Okay, shake your phone very well, and once you shake your phone, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now what you have to do now, you click at report a problem. Boom. Now what you have to do now, include in reports. Boom. Now you can see this thing I have we've included this thing, the screenshot. So you can now upload more screenshots. Okay, you upload more screenshots, then you now paste this message to them. I'll leave this message in description below. Okay, you paste this message. Immediately you paste this message, then you will now click send. You click what? Send. Once you click send, it's going to bring you to this interface. Thanks for letting us know. Your feedback helps us make Facebook better for everyone. Now after some time, they will now go through your what? Just give it a time. After some time, they will go through your reports, and they will get back to you. And if you notice that you are still getting this problem, what I would like you to do is, maybe your account is new, what you have to do is you start posting, create posts. After you create posts, you like, you comment nice. Okay, you comment. Okay, bam, you can see. Once you comment, you add friends, because maybe your account is still new, that's why you are getting those annoying error. So add more friends. add more friends. Okay, add more friends. And once you add friends, comment to people's posts, engage on people's posts. Okay, when you engage on people's posts, okay, just make sure you engage on people's posts. Okay, keep doing this. Once you continue doing this, once you continue doing this, Facebook will now know that this is not a robot. Okay, after you do that, you can also, people will also send you friend requests. You can accept friend requests also. You can accept their friend requests. You can try as much as possible to add many people. Okay, add people. Once you add, then continue doing this. Continue doing it till Facebook will now allow you to create Facebook page. But if you try it and it did not succeed, then that means you have to use what they call, you go to your settings, you go to your settings, you go to your settings, you go to your settings. Yes, you go to settings and privacy, you click settings. So from settings, then you will now see profile details. From profile details, then you make sure you add your number and your email. Make sure you add these things. When you add your number and your email, you can see look at my own email now is there. So make sure you add your email. Once you add it, then Facebook will do what? After some time, Facebook will now allow you to create your Facebook page. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.